Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Here we are at TMC by the Modern Chemist at 181 East Houston Street. I'm going to be showing you one of my favorites here. This is Dirty Lemon. This is one of the flavors that they have. They have a lot. This one is Chromium. This one helps with your metabolism. The other ones would be retinol, charcoal, collagen, turmeric, one they call greens, ginseng, aloe. I may be forgetting one, but they do have a number of different, rose, that's another one too. Each of them has different properties. They're all based on lemon, that's why the name Dirty Lemon, and they're extremely low sugar. This one, for example, has 1 gram of sugar. Now, a lot of these don't actually taste as low sugar as you would think. So my favorite flavors are first the retinol. The retinol is something that's made for your skin. It's actually the first drinkable retinol. Usually you put it as like a cream or serum on your skin, wherever you need it. But for that, you're drinking it. It comes in a gold and white striped bottle, but it tastes pretty sweet to me. I've been a gigantic fan of just the flavor of it. For that one, you're supposed to limit yourself to 1 a day. The rest of them, you can have as many as you want. This one is either my second or third because charcoal is a great detoxifier, and you can just take that maybe if you're feeling under the weather, maybe if you're hungover. It's just great to have that in the morning or whenever you need it because it's a little bit sweet, but it has that charcoal to help detox. But this one, not because it helps with the metabolism, but just because of the flavor, it is just pretty good. So you can see here, they come in these iconic bright bottles. The other ones are different colors. Here, take a peek at the information here on the back. Now you can see here that it says contains 15% juice, so there are other things in here. Let's just take a look at the ingredients list here. And what it includes is, maybe that's gonna get it. If not, who cares? Purified water, organic lemon juice, pineapple juice, passion fruit, dandelion root guarana, which is good as maybe like a stimulant to wake you up, blue spirulina, luohan goao, ocean minerals, chromium, GTF, Himalayan pink sea salt, which is parentheses electrolytes. That's just going to help you in general. But let's give a try to how this tastes. I've had this so many times, but who knows? Maybe I'll find something different to let you know here. So again, it is not an extremely sweet drink. So if you've had things I think all your life like Coca-Cola and Pepsi and other sugary drinks, it's definitely not going to be on that level. But for this, you do taste the tartness of a lemonade, but because they have other things all inside, the key things being pineapple juice, passion fruit, and let's see, I think those would be the things for the flavors. Of course, there's organic lemon juice, but that's going to help with the tartness. But for this one, having under 1 gram of sugar and me not making like the tart face, I'm really happy with this. One of my favorite things to do is have this in the summer when it's hot outside. I can have any of the variations. Actually, lemonade in general is one of my favorite things in the summer, as long as it's just low sugar, not like caked up with sugar, because that's just too much. But these, they taste great, but they do cost a little bit more than your average lemonades. If you had to guess, how much do you think this would cost? This is a 16-ounce bottle, 473 milligrams. It's pretty. It has a property that's supposed to help you. All of them do. So if you had to guess, what do you think it is? It's actually $10, and that's how much they really go for. The first place that I saw this was actually a place called Hudson Yards in Manhattan. It's a gigantic, I think 5-story mall that includes a Neiman Marcus, fine restaurants and other things. But they had this vending machine that just had them, and I think it was called The Drugstore or something. It was literally just a bare front with just a fancy vending machine there. And I saw it, I gave it a try because I was like, this is pretty, and I saw people taking photos with them, for their Instagrams, because that's what I think, honestly, that's why things like this caught on, because the price, maybe the benefits help you out, but the price really was something that's negative, because you can definitely get lemonades for a lot less than this. But just the flavor in this was great. So we first found this at Hudson Yards. I gave it a try. It was a very hot day. I had run from Port Authority to here. But I think for the cost, if you're okay with this cost, $10, it's a great way to have a low sugar lemonade. But if you have any questions, you can find me here on Creative Reviews. We have this here in stores, and you can find this all over the city in Manhattan. You can check out Dirty Lemon's Instagram. They post a lot of beautiful looking content. But again, any questions, comment section below. You can find me on Instagram at m8b9, and also you can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.